to Lamington National Park. I'm here by myself today, going for a wander, having a look through the rainforest. There's heaps of places up here to explore. It's been closed off for the best part of a year because of the bushfires. Now, they didn't come through here. It was up towards the road, and they basically had to rebuild the road that came into it. It's so quiet and peaceful, I feel like I shouldn't be talking at all. So I thought I'd record some of the birds in here. And as soon as I took my microphone out, some people walked past. And as soon as they left, a plane came overhead. There's not many planes around at the moment. It's Murphy's Law. You're not very afraid, are you? Just had to stop here for a bit and tell you how fantastic it smells right here. I wish I could share it. It's kind of a slightly eucalyptus-y type smell, but also woody. It smells like the Australian bush. Oh dear. I think I'm going to come back and take a photo of this tree. It looks like it's kind of reaching out into the forest. I'm almost near the top, so I'm going to sit down and have some lunch there, but afterwards I'm going to come back down. I think this might be a photo spot. Just got to say, this is an awesome mandarin. That feeling when you do an entire piece to camera and it's been on time lapse the whole time. So I came out without my tripod today because I'm not taking any photos of running water, so I thought I'd have a go not bringing it to see if it frees me up at all. It can help me slow down a bit having a tripod, but it also tends to stop me from taking pictures. So, yeah, I can always use the monopod that the GoPro's on at the moment if I need a bit of extra stability. Now, I was looking for some compositions in this area, and I went to try and take a photo of this log behind me, and I should have done it earlier because the sun was on it, but I was caught up taking some sound recordings of all the birds and everything around here, and the sun had moved on. But I did find a lot of the stuff on the trees over here quite interesting, and handily my lens, which is the Canon 24-70 f4, actually has a macro function. Now, it's not a 1-to-1 macro. I think it's about a 0.7 times, but it's pretty good and pretty handy for places like this where you can try and get some nice detail shots. Now, I was standing rather awkwardly on those rocks there because I was trying to get a photo of some really nice twisty tree branches up here. Now, I think it's probably going to end up too busy, but might as well take the photo. This is the thing, digital costs nothing to have a crappy photo. You can always delete it later. So I've just come back to take a photo of that tree that's fallen down. So I'm just trying a couple of different compositions on this tree, different heights. I think I quite like this is what I do, is I take the pictures and then go back and have a look at them and try and decide. Yeah, I think I prefer the standing up one because this bit's just a bit closer. I think what I'll probably do is a couple of brackets. May not use it, but there's quite a bit of contrast in here, so just in case. Now, when you go and bracket your exposures and you're doing it handheld, you need to put it on continuous shooting so that you can just hold your finger down and it will take all the pictures. Something I do notice without the tripod is the tripod's good for making little minor adjustments. Because when you're hand holding, every time you kind of go back, you end up in a slightly different spot. So it's kind of harder to make those little adjustments. Now it's time to head back out of the rainforest. I haven't come very far. It's been about 3 kilometers maybe, something like that I've walked, and it's taken me ages. I've been enjoying just taking my time. Oh, spider webs. Whoa. Mossy. And light. Ooh, look. It's a teeny tiny. You might not be able to see it. Teeny tiny little spider web. thanks once again for watching. I don't know that there's any earth-shattering photos out of that, but whatever I did take, actually, you may have already even seen them by now. But yeah, it's always lovely coming out, getting out into the forest, particularly when it's so quiet and peaceful and there's not many people around. Oh, it's just beautiful. Good for the soul. Thank you for all your support. Everyone who gives my videos a thumbs up really helps. And I hope you've enjoyed this trip to Lamington. I'm sure I'm going to be back here again. There's a lot of different places to go and check out. Some lookouts and waterfalls and such. So yeah, waterfalls I'll probably wait till next year. But maybe some lookouts in the not too distant future. All right, I'll catch you next time. Bye.